Most solicitors become consultants because they have a need for or a want for flexibility and autonomy. A lot of them will have been solicitors employed by or partners in a law firm, in a traditional law firm. When the firm is paid by the client for the work, the cognitive law will then pay the solicitor's personal service company their share of that fees. The personal service company then pays the consultant personally, either by way of a salary or dividends, whatever's more tax efficient for them. They want to practice their profession, but still within the confines of a traditional firm. What it means is they can move away from the management and the internal politics of a firm, and they don't have to get involved with the running of the firm. That gives them the liberty to simply practice their chosen profession at a time when it suits them. And because they don't have to get involved with the running of the firm, it gives them that extra time. It takes hours out of the day when you're involved with running the firm. But if you take that out of the equation, consultant solicitors at Cognitive Law buy back so much more of their own time, which means they can either do more fee-earning work and earn a greater remuneration, or they can spend their time doing something completely different. Because consultants are self-employed, they work incredibly flexibly. It means there are no set hours, no set billing targets. They pretty much work when, where and how they want. And because it's flexible, they can work in the evenings or at weekends in order to free up time during their days to do something else completely different. It also means that solicitors who are consultants can set their own charging rates. They're not bound by strict rules as to how much they have to charge a client. They can move the charging structure according to the client work they do, which is an added layer of flexibility afforded to consultants. Consultant solicitors don't have to work in the firm's office. They can work remotely. They can come into the office if they'd like to, but they've got the flexibility and freedom to work whenever they like, but wherever they like.